What's good, everybody? So we got some new curtains. These are the JIVINER curtains. They're machine washable. They do come in different colors. We got the dark gray. They also come in different sizes. The ones that we needed are 52 by 84 inches. Each grommet is 1.65 inches and fits standard rods. Made of 100% polyester. So let me show you what they look like hung, and then we're going to take a closer look. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? So we got some new curtains. These are the JIVINER curtains. They're machine washable on the gentle cycle. Do not bleach them, do not tumble dry them. If there's any wrinkles, you can just kind of hang them up and they're gonna just let themselves out, or you can iron it on very warm temperature, or use a steamer, which is what I do. They do come in different colors. We got the dark gray, but they do come in like navies, little oranges and browns. They also come in different sizes. The ones that we needed are 52 by 84 inches. Now we do have different types of blinds, but they're all vinyl, they're all textured. So these are the whites here. So this room has the black ones. So the gray ones are actually for the upstairs. Now they do come in 2 panels per pack. For a wall that's about 12 feet, I would recommend having 4, because the smaller these things are, the nicer it looks. That's just my opinion personally. So let's go and take a closer look at these, and then we'll hang them in one of the rooms. So you can see that the texture is quite nice, and you can see how this could be wrinkle free. Each grommet is 1.65 inches and fits standard rods, and there are 8 of them. There isn't any weights at the very bottom, but there is an additional flap sewn on it to give it that little extra weight, so it doesn't just flop around, and actually maintains the draping. It's made of 100% polyester. The back, you do see stitching, so you can only hang it one way. The back and the front is quite similar, so it's not gonna look weird. We've got a light here. We're gonna just place it underneath and see. And they are. Well, I can see you see that? Right there. So it is letting through like maybe 0.5%, 1% of light, I would say. But that's definitely nothing. So let's go ahead and use it. All right, so here we are. You can see that we got 2 panels on this side and 2 panels on that side. So it just gives it that room, that extra sophistication and elegance, in my opinion. And we also have the sheer curtains on the side. Of course, you want to do a double rod, so the shears are in behind, so that way you can close the drapes. But yeah, definitely happy with these. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.